Inner Manipur Lok Sabha MP Dr. Bimol has expressed concerns on the fresh tensions that erupted at Phougakchao, Ikhai last night. Speaking to PTI, Dr. Bimol said, "The coordinated attack on internally displaced persons who have been recently resettled is deeply disturbing, as it was carried out despite the deployment of security forces including Indian Army at peripheral areas." He added that the incident indicates disarming of armed elements, especially in Churchanpur areas, has not been properly carried out and the government must take appropriate action. He also added that he tried to raise the matter in the parliament today but did not get the chance. MP Bimol, however, assured to raise this issue in the parliament in the next few days.
You must have heard about this. There was a coordinated attack yesterday on the IDPs, internally displaced persons, who have been resettled recently, barely 1 week or so. And the information I get is that it is a coordinated attack, right in the presence of the security personnel, including Indian Army. This is a very disturbing development, and it clearly tells you that the disarming of armed elements, especially in areas in Churchanpur, has not been properly carried out, and that's why this attack happened, and the government should take appropriate actions. I tried to raise this issue in Parliament today, but I didn't get it, but I still try in the next few days as well. Thank you.